In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Roblox. This guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can personalize your Roblox experience by modifying the in-game text style to your liking. Changing the font can add a unique touch to your game, making it more engaging and fitting to the theme or story you're trying to tell. Let's kick things off by accessing the Roblox Studio. If you haven't already installed it, head over to the Roblox website and download it from there. Once you have it open, select the game project you want to modify. Within Roblox Studio, you'll notice a variety of panels that'll help you edit and navigate through your project. We are particularly interested in the Explorer and Properties panels since they'll be crucial for our task today. Now, locate the text label, text button, or text box within the Explorer panel. If you haven't created one yet, you can do so by right-clicking on the workspace and selecting either Insert Object. From there, choose one of the text objects according to what suits your needs. With your text object selected, turn your attention to the Properties panel. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the font property in the list. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu offering a selection of fonts. Click on the drop-down to view the options available. Pick the one that best fits the style you're aiming for. Perhaps you want something classic like Arial or a more playful option like Comic Sans. The choice is yours. Once you've made your selection, you'll see the font change in real time within the design space. Next, you might want to adjust other text properties to enhance the appearance of your chosen font. Consider tweaking the text size, color, and alignment. These elements can add to the readability and appearance of your text, complementing your game's overall aesthetic. You can find these options nearby in the Properties panel, so play around until you find a combination that looks just right to you. It's a good idea to frequently test your changes to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. To do this, simply click the Play button at the top of the screen. This will give you an in-game preview of how the new font and settings will appear to players. When you're satisfied with the font and settings, make sure to save your project. Click the File menu and hit Save to Roblox or Publish to Roblox as to update your game. And there you have it, a personalized font style for your Roblox game. Remember, the way text appears can influence how players engage with your game, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!